What if I told you that a simple change in your diet could transform your life? The keto diet is not just a trend, it's a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health. Imagine burning fat for fuel instead of carbs. That's what keto does. By drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats, your body enters a state called ketosis. In this state, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. You'll not only lose weight but also experience increased energy levels and improved mental clarity. But here's the catch. Diet alone isn't enough. Exercise is the secret ingredient that can supercharge your weight loss journey. Think of it as the dynamic duo. While keto helps you shed those stubborn pounds, exercise builds muscle, boosts your metabolism, and enhances your mood. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When you combine a keto diet with regular exercise, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining a healthier lifestyle. So whether it's a brisk walk, a dance class, or lifting weights, find an activity you love and make it part of your routine. Remember, every step counts. So are you ready to take control of your health? Share your thoughts below and let's inspire each other on this journey.